make something called dugu jorim. All have ingredients you received from the Koceabe?
Yes. Yep.
Okay, good. You can also buy firm tofu in the Les or in Carpo as well. So the first what you have to do is that you have to drain the water from tofu. And we have to use Korean chili pepper. So, are you mixing well?
Yes. Almost
Let me see.
Should we keep it cut all the same size?
I did everything the same sizes, but it's up to you. Okay, so we're gonna put the tofu there.
All right.
Just one by one.
One by one.
Yeah. And we're gonna put the sauce.